Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to close all running background apps on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. If you use buttons for navigation, then what you can do is use this square button. It can be of course on the left or the right side depending on the order that you have chosen. And by doing so you will open all these apps. You will have the list of apps over here that are running in the background. You can simply close one of the apps by moving left or right, or you can close all of them by pressing on this X over here. If you are using gestures instead, then what you need to do is swipe from the bottom towards the middle, but you want to hold it on the middle like so, just for like a quick second, and there we go. You will open running apps in the background as well, and then you will have to do the same thing, so either swipe left or right or press this cross. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.